Hi, welcome to the first video in our series called the Dormer Diaries. And for some background, we moved into this house last July and it's coming up on a year, which is crazy. But we live in a 1920s craftsman style bungalow. And with the bungalow upstairs, it's just one room currently. So our plan is to add an addition, which is essentially just a very large dormer, which will just give us a ton of space to be able to add a bathroom up there and some closet space, and have a nice big bedroom for us as a primary suite. So I wanted to walk through the plans today of where the house is currently and where we want to take it, just so that the future videos you kind of know where we're going with it all. Okay, so what we're looking at right now, on the left side of the screen is the current version of the home that exists right now. And on the right, we have what we are going to change it to. So here we have the exterior view of the house. On the current version of the house, we have these two roof lines. It's currently an uncovered porch. So what we want to do on this is create basically all of this is what we're adding, which is the dormer. To help illustrate that a little bit, here's a side view of the house. So currently the roof line ends like here, I think. I guess probably there. And there's a little bump out right here. So we're extending that quite aggressively and building out the roof line and extending the roof over the porch, which will be really nice. It's currently just like out in the open and it's not really a vibe. So that I think will add so much visual interest and just create a nice vibe for on the porch, which is really nice. I just said nice like 8,000 times. The bigger focus here definitely is this addition here of the dormer. Now I'll take you to the internal view, and that's what we're looking at right now on the second floor. There's not much changing happening to the first floor, so you don't really need to get into that, but this is a good view of the second floor. On the left side, again, we have what the space currently looks like, and on the right we have what we're going to change it to. So putting these side by side, you can kind of see the existing space is just a rectangle. So this dashed line is the peak, and then it slopes out from there, and it's just like a long tube basically, and it slopes on either side of that. On the right side, you can see that we're really bumping out and creating a large extra space just for so much more room. It really is going to add so much room. All of the ceilings in that extra space will be 92 inches, which is the highest point of that currently exists. In the space that currently exists, we will be adding honestly just most of the bathroom, and then the rest of the additional space will be mostly bedroom. So we're gonna dive into just the bathroom here because that's the most interesting thing on this page right here. We're gonna be doing two side-by-side vanities, a bench seating in the shower, so this is the shower over here, and then a bath, the toilet over here. And this will be the original space, so the slopes will still exist. So over here, I think it's like a 4'8" wall on both sides, or 4'6", I guess is what they wrote here. So it should still be enough room to like sit down at a toilet and go to the bathroom. And we put the bench over on the shower side just to take up that space a little bit. And since it'll be so slanted, there's not much else. You can put your leg up to shave or something like that. So some things that are not included, you might notice that there's no closets in this space. Don't be mistaken, this is stairs right here, so there are no closets in this. But what we plan to do for closets is along this wall, we want to do drawers, and then along this wall, we want to do built-in wardrobe situation basically for all our hanging stuff. That should be plenty of space for both of our clothes and whatnot. So I'm very excited about that. Our current closet situation is minuscule and it's very tough to exist in these spaces. Another feature we'll be doing here that's not shown is a washer dryer. And before I get to that, this is a skylight right here, which I'm very excited about. But besides that, along this wall, which it'll honestly probably come out to like, I don't even know, like here, I think maybe, will be our washer and dryer, which I'm very excited about. It's currently in our basement, and it's not that far to walk like 2 flights of stairs or whatever, but it's just far enough. And the space that it's in is like, it's an unfinished basement. It's not really nice to use, so it'll be much nicer to have it upstairs in the primary bathroom. It'll just make it so nice and easy, and those will have doors, so they'll be kind of hidden away, so you don't have to like see them every day. That we have a lot of design ideas about that, about how to make it look nice and not like you have a washer dryer in your bathroom. So that's all I had for you, really. I hope you're as excited as we are. A little sneak peek behind the curtain. We have finished demo, which is very exciting, and are waiting to get construction started, which should be very, very soon. So I am so pumped. I'm so excited. It's like real and happening. We have materials, and like, it's crazy that it's actually happening. So stay tuned and get excited.